Nung una, nakuha niyo yung panalo, you're at the helm today.
Today
Pero
lang.
kapustahin muna natin si Coach Leo, ano ba nangyari?
He's okay. He was supposed to be here today. Coach Leo was nandun siya kahapon sa practice the day before that, nandito na din naman siya sa practice. And then today he was supposed to come. And then bigla na lang sabi niya, hindi yata nakatulog dahil sa nag-bloat yung ano niya. May bloating siya. Sabi ko, okay, no problem. Kung anong gusto mong gawin, gawin namin.
So next game, okay na siguro si
Oh,
Coach Leo?
most probably.
And anyway, sa tungkol naman sa laro, kanina lamang sila ng first half. Ano sinabi mo sa team nung parang kinakalawang pa yata yung San Miguel nung
Medyo
first half?
kinakalawang. Akala ko okay na kasi yung mga tune-up namin, medyo magaganda yung mga laro namin. But buti na lang, it's all on the players. The players know what to do. They were okay. The second half, we just went to one play, if you saw it. We were just headhunting the big guy. Tapos we just played off each other. Masaya ako dahil naka-29 assists kami today. Not always ganyan yung San Miguel. So we want to keep the top.
Two players na in mind right now, unang-una si George K, yung import niya came up with yun nga, import numbers. Things na tingin ba natin nag-gel na tayo sa...
Hindi pa, kulang pa. Pero ang masarap kasama si George King, very vocal siya. Sa mga timeouts, kung titignan mo yung timeouts, half of the time siya nagsasalita, which is okay naman. And I'm sure pagdating ni Coach Leo next game, he'll be okay with that as well. I think the leadership he's bringing is okay, na nag-gel kami. Siguro, yung isa na lang, si Paulo Hernandez, yung kinuha namin, medyo nangangapa pa. Kaya napahaba si Jeric sa minutes natin kanina.
And actually bihira mag-best player of the game ang isang rebounder, no? So which is si Rodney Brontiel. Usapan naman natin yung ginawa ni Rodney sa loob na talagang hinakot niya halos lahat ng rebound at hindi biro yung mga kalaban niya, malalaki.
Kahit naman casual fan, makikita mo yung impact sa game. Even a normal fan will see it. You don't have to be a coach, you don't have to be somebody who's into basketball stats and everything. But I didn't even know it was 25 rebounds until I saw the stats. Pero nakita mo naman yung niya kanina. Nagpapasab nga kanina, sabi ko mamaya-maya na. Dahil kung maganda laro mo dito, di ko maglalaro.
Yung isa pang bago natin, si Jeric Anmisi pala. Kamusta naman yung, what can you say? Yung nakikita nyo ba na invasion nyo sa pagbuhat sa kanya? Was he able to accomplish that a while ago?
Well, the fact that he played 38 minutes kanina, he outplayed his kasama. The fact that he played that much just shows about the impact, tells us about the impact that he has. All right.